These portable walking canes are excellent, and it's a great gift for your elderly friend or for anyone that's had an injury, right? So I'm going to show you how to put it together and why it is important, because then you can take this cane anywhere you want, right? And travel with you. So here we go. You can take it apart, right? And then you can adjust it here. It has a strap, and you can adjust the height here. So you see how it's bent like that? This is the magic to it. You pull on it, then you pull on it here, and there you go. You got a sturdy cane that will give you security in walking. It has that 3-point setup in the bottom for more stability, right? It's made out of metal. It's really well made. And the best part is here, you can adjust how big or short you want it to be. So you press here, you undo this, right? And then you can make it shorter, you see? You see? You can make it shorter. Or you can make it longer. You see? Okay? You can make it as long as you want. Once you secure it here, then you tighten it here, and that's it. This is not gonna go anywhere. The handle is really comfortable. Ergonomic handle that fits. It's like I can't say the name of what it is, but you get what I mean, right? Right? So put your hand there, put your finger here, and then you can put all the weight on that cane that you want. And it's not gonna give up on you. You get your strap here. So what I did was I did this and I did this. And I got this because I had an injury of my ankle. I twisted my ankle on a trip. And then for the rest of the trip, I had to get this cane, my trusty cane. Thank God I haven't had to use it again. But man, when I needed it, this was a lifesaver. Because throughout the whole trip, I was in a trip, I used my cane and it was a lifesaver, literally. So this is super recommended.